Yo, sup guys? Today I'm going to show you how to turn any photo into meme. So go to shortcuts and then go to gallery, and then look up meme maker. It's kind of glitching, so let's try again. So I'm going to go back to gallery and then look up meme maker. I have it, so I'm going to add it. This is because I already have it, so I'm going to add it, and then I have the meme maker shortcut. So I'm going to like click on it, and then I can choose any photo over here. I'm going to choose this UFC dude photo that I have. So yeah. Yeah, so once you do that, you have this UFC wallpaper. So if you want to save it to your camera roll, you can click share and then save image and then done. So yeah, if you don't already have it, then you just edit your home screen. I showed you how to do this in the previous video. Scroll to the left, and then there will be an add button on top. So then you will add widget, look up shortcuts, and then